y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Ronke, and I love to talk about making moves both geographically and professionally. In this video, I'll be sharing some property clips from the Hard Rock Hotel located in Los Cabos, Mexico. This hotel is an all-inclusive resort, and it's a really inclusive resort, y'all. Stay tuned for all this resort got for y'all. So when we initially checked in, they actually put us in a room with 2 queen beds, which was not going to work for us. So we actually requested for a room change. But for the first, I think, 2 nights, we stayed in this room. This was our balcony and the view from our balcony. This is a view of the bathroom in our room with the 2 queen beds. When we did eventually change to a room with a king bed, the bathroom looks pretty much exactly the same, so I didn't bother to include clips from that bathroom. And all the rooms have a fully stocked mini fridge with some drinks and some drinks. Now, this is a view of the king-size bed room. Definitely had a lot more space. And this was our much nicer balcony view. Now, after getting settled in, you know food is the most important thing. So the Market is a buffet restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have pretty much buffet style for all meals. So this is what the breakfast setup looks like. Of course, you know, I have to stop by the omelet station. And then they also provide outdoor seating for those interested. Toro is a steakhouse at the resort, and it was very good, to be honest. They do have some additional items that you can order at a charge. So if you wanted to order like a rack of lamb, for example, you might pay a premium for that, but otherwise the steak and all other items are included as part of your inclusive fee for the resort. So Zen is an Asian teppanyaki style restaurant. They also have Moonlight, which is a bar and I believe has the bowling alley. There's Cafeto, which is a pastry kind of shop with sandwiches. They also have some popcorn and gelato, which looked extremely yummy. Didn't get to try any. Then they also have Ciao, which is an Italian restaurant. There's also Sunlight, which is a bar in the lobby area. Pizzetto is a pizza shop, and this is honestly part of the reason why I didn't try some of the other restaurants. But the pizza here, y'all, was really good. Like, I got pizza, I think twice from this location, and it was really good. And this is outside. Now, switching over to actual amenities, the resort does, of course, have a spa included, which is called the Rock Spa. Within the spa, there's also a Posh Salon, which is the nail salon. And there's also Body Rock, which is the gym. Now, in true Hard Rock fashion, all around the resort, you'll find different pictures, instruments, costumes, just different paraphernalia from a lot of musical talents. One thing I really loved about this resort was that there were many open spaces. At no point did I feel like there were too many people in any given area. It just felt spacious. Overall, I really enjoyed my stay at this resort. The staff were incredibly friendly and had top-notch customer service. The food was pretty good, and there were a lot of different food options, even more than I got to show in this video. And the hotel was very clean. You constantly saw staff going around cleaning, scrubbing, just making sure that the resort felt like a great experience. So 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend y'all. That's all I have for this Hard Rock Hotel property tour from Los Cabos. Please make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more travel and career content. See you next time.